this out. Yeah, what eventually we're going to want to do is like, hey, you put a player down here. Here's a bunch of stuff, right? Then when I go and I hit play, that right now that's going to tell us where the player is, but we don't want to draw that tile, which is what's currently happening. So let's go look at this bulk. Forest 41, set location. Yeah. Okay, what did it fail on? Function arguments expected near parenthesis. Oh, yes. This should have parentheses there. Okay, there we go. Let's put a player down. Let's play. Bolton Forest map 66. What's the problem? Attempt to index a nil value. All right. Oh, some of these aren't going to have tile info. So let's go like this. Let's make sure that that exists and the tile info exists. And then we're just going to move this print here. Oh, dang it. There we go. Save it. Throw a player down. Hit play. Please tell me that something happened. No, it did not. Interesting. So none of them had tile info. That's not good. Okay. So I'm going to, like, this is going to take a little bit longer than I actually wanted to, so we're going to leave this for right now. I'm going to put this as where we left off. And that's going to be a reminder to me. So what we did do is get, well, let me make sure that if I click play, yeah. So we do have it where you can go to this other map and the forest, and based on whether or not you're in the build scenario or not, like, it'll load the map. And then we have this other means of getting to the forest here, which, as you can see, it's an empty forest, and that's because we're coming to it through the other thing. Now, I don't know why you're seeing the ghost of the previous one there. That's probably has to do with us not deleting something correctly, but we'll take care of that later with our next one. But anyway, you now know how to pass parameters and stuff. And we also did a lot of cleanup on our delete scenes and destroy scenes and stuff. So not as much progress as I wanted to make today, but that's okay. We have this cool play button, which means that we're going to be able to load levels, go through, hit play, and hey, we're on the level. We're going to be able to play it. So next time, we'll go through and add the player to the map. And this is what I was talking about. If you go here and you put a player here, and then you go to play, that player is there, but that's not what we want. We want the player to actually be a living element and not a part of the map. So in the next one, what we'll do is we'll figure out the location of the player. We'll delete that tile. We'll actually make the player a separate image that's actually handled by the player class, and then we'll add cool stuff like moving it, to different locations and everything. But that's going to wrap us up for today. I hope that was helpful, and like I said, you can see everything that I'm doing at TylerMakes.com. You can go see the other streams. You can go to YouTube. If you follow the YouTube, you can get to, from any one of these episodes, you can get to the GitHub, which has all of this code here in this GitHub repo. and you can go and grab all this code. And I upload tags from every session so that you can go through every single day and see what the code was. So that'll do it. Hope everyone had a happy Thanksgiving and have a great weekend.